Hello everyone, today I want to show you the newest mic from BOYA brand, and this is BOYALINK, right? And this is a newest version of this mic set, and today I'm gonna to show you how it works together with my iPhone and together with my camera, right? So we will be able to do a real test of this mic set. Let's go. First of all, what you are gonna to get as a set of this mic, right? So inside the box, you will have a user manual, you will have a USB-A, USB-C cable, you will have a transportation bag, right, which is pretty nice, and you will have a set itself, right? And you can see that this is a box, and not just a box. It's a battery or a charger for 2 receivers and 1 transmitter, or vice versa, 1 receiver and 2 transmitters, right? So inside this small case you will have 1 receiver, which is you need to use together with your phone, camera, iPad, any other compatible devices, right? Let me show you closer how this small device looks like, right? And you can see that we have a connector on this side. Right now it's 3.5 millimeter jet, but you are not limited to only this type of connection, which is just great. You see this small blue button? We can just press it and push and remove this connector. And for example, in my case, I have latest iPhone, so I need USB Type-C. But for example, if you have a previous version of iPhone, you have a Lightning as well. And you can easily insert this type of connector into the receiver, and that's all. Check this out. As simple as that. And now, for example, I have my iPhone, I can connect this to my iPhone, and I can see the symbol of connected device. Now we need to switch on receiver. Just press this power button and wait a little bit, right? And you see the blue light on it. And we have several transmitters, right? You have actually 2 of them, so you can use for 2 persons or for 2 devices, right? And we have some noise cancelling attachment. Let me use one of them. You need just to press it and click, and here you go. Let me show you closer how this transmitter looks, right? Very nice, very simple. And here you go, you're ready to record your audio, and let's do this. So let me prepare everything, right? And for example, I want to record myself, and I'm gonna to speak into this mic. Hello guys, this is Yev, and I am reviewing the newest mic from BOYA brand, and this set consists of several mics and 1 receiver. Also, it consists of a charging box and all needed accessories. So right now, you're able to hear and see, but mostly hear, the quality of this mic, and quality is awesome, right? Let me share with you some main tech parameter of this mic. So let's start from the sampling rate, and we have 48k Hertz, right? With a 24 bit of depth and more than 85 dB of high SNR, right? With maximum sound pressure of 120 dB. Also, we have a 6 mm high sensitive condenser mic, which is more than standard 4 mm mics, right? We have a 2-level smart noise cancellation, which is just cool. We have a lot of adapters, as I showed you. We have 6 different levels of gain control, right? Level 1, 2 is a 612, and level 5, 6 it's 2836 dB. And we can use this mic up to 30 hours, basically whole day. Of course, with a charging box, and it's very compact, so you can take it with you whenever you need. Just connect to the phone, your iPhone or Android, right, and you're ready to go. But let's do second test. Let me connect this receiver part to my Canon camera, right? And let me use this mic on me instead this one, and you will hear the real sound test. Okay guys, now you should hear me through this mic and my main camera. So I've connected receiver part via 3.5 jack, right? And I'm using this transmitter on me right now, and I can speak clearly with you. So you can hear the sound quality, and as you can hear it, right, it's a pretty good sound quality. For the given size, it's very lightweight. It's just weight nothing. You can attach this to any parts of your clothes, right, or any other devices or parts of the exterior, right? It depends when you need this. Also, you have this nice noise cancellation stuff. You have 3 different adapters. You have a travel bag. You have everything what you need for vlogging, blogging, interview, or just quick content creation, or just permanent content creation. So if you guys looking for the really good device but within the budget and with all needed parts in one box, definitely check this out.